In this video, we're going to look at installing Open Broadcaster software and using it with a green screen. The first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is download the software. You can download it from obsproject.com/download. It's important to remember that there are two versions. There's Studio and there's also Classic. Classic has less features but is easier to use. In this demonstration, we're going to be using Open Broadcaster software Studio. So I've already got it installed. It's here on my desktop. We're going to go ahead and launch it. When it comes up, I'm going to remove all the sources just so we can start with a fresh slate. Alright, so this is how your screen should look if you've never opened the software before. The first thing you want to do is add a video capture device. And you can leave it the default name, that's fine. By default, it's going to show your webcam. If you have multiple cameras, you're going to see multiple ones appear. And we're just going to click OK. The default values are OK. And the next thing you want to do to create the green screen, I'm going to show you what I've got here. So we've got a green screen. So the next thing you're going to do is right click on that video capture device and do filters. Alright, so from filters down under the bottom here, you're going to go to effect filters, click add and choose chroma key. And you can leave the default name. By default, the selection is green. So anything green is going to become your green screen. So you can also change it to blue, and changing it to blue, since I have a blue shirt on, you can't see the shirt, so that's pretty cool. Alright, changing it back to green. Similarity, that's the similarity in colors that it's going to filter out. It's working pretty good as it is right now. You might want to fine tune the smoothness, the color key spill reduction. I said that twice and I still couldn't get it right. Key color spill reduction. So you can kind of see what that does. It takes the color out. So adjusting it back, and you can just hit defaults if you mess up. You can change the brightness. I mean, there's all kinds of settings here you can play with. So I'm going to go ahead and click close. So now you're on a green screen. So let's do something fun with it, like open a web browser and have that display on our screen. So you can do new or add and then do browser source. You can leave the default name. And when that comes up, it's going to have you an option to enter a URL. So let's go ahead and enter a URL and click OK. So here in just a second, the website pops up, and I'm going to move me over. You can resize yourself by clicking the corners and dragging. So if you had like the Weather Channel or National Weather Service, you could just point and say, well, today it's going to be cloudy, that type of thing. So that's pretty cool. You can do a lot with Open Broadcaster software. There's a lot of different recording options, live streaming options. It's pretty easy to use. I've not found anything that it can't do. It is a little bit of a learning curve if you're not used to doing things with video, of course. But I hope you found this useful, and if you found it useful, please hit like. Thanks for watching.